had to be asked, are Ecoline windows any good? And I'm gonna go ahead and say yes. So big thing, these are manufactured in Canada, and that includes the frame and the actual glazing. So a lot of other competitors, that's being imported from the United States. It's not actually being manufactured here. With Ecoline, that's being done in Toronto. So, we're supporting Canadian homeland here. With that, as part of the manufacturing, Ecoline has these air chambers around the frame. And what that'll do is provide insulative value. So they've equated that each chamber will hold roughly 5 degrees of temperature gradient change that it can handle. So each one of those, you're holding temperature at bay. So if you're minus 20, one chamber, it's minus 15 at that chamber. The next chamber, minus 10, 3 chambers, minus 5. So that's helping insulate all that area around the frame. Now, that's just talking about the actual window itself. Then there's the actual installation process. And that's a big part of choosing a window manufacturer and installer as well. So we have to consider that, they are doing the spray foam insulation all the way around. They're treating old frames. We've seen them replace frames that are damaged when needed. And those are important features too. Then the other thing is just the customization that Ecoline allows. These are made to fit existing homes. These aren't off the manufacturing line and you got to fit them in. These are customized to your home, to your needs, and to your client wishes. We've talked about some houses where, we want black window frames or we want the grills on the inside. Those are all options that Ecoline offers and things that complete their window installation.